Good day, grade 7. Today is our computer 7 in 4th quarter, week 2. My name is Mr. Rinaldo B. Malimban. In our objectives, we have to continue in the first part in week 1, and we continued for our objectives from the week 2 that the student to be able to modify the publication, change the font and color scheme, insert a building block, print a publication, and close a publication. Now let's talk about the printing your publication in the basic concepts of the MS Publisher in Microsoft Publishers. In printing publishing, the shift from script to print in early modern communication was both dramatic and gradual. The invention of printing from movable type did produce many more books and lead to the steep decline in the productions of manuscript by about 1475 or 1475, and still the 17th and 18th centuries, 300 or 400 years after the introductions of the movable type. So the manuscript was legitimate form of publication is every field of scientific literary endeavor. So in while official communications from the political religious spheres more and more began to take printed form, a lively network of clandestine manuscript production allowed to unorthodox ideas to circulate outside the purview of the censors. Now, how to get to know in the publisher? In the basic concept of MS Publisher, one is the template. So template is the purple blue dotted rectangle is your guide for your text and border. It will not be printed. So the space of the side is the work area in the temporary storage area. So if you type, you will see the text box which is of the same size of the current page, but you can create a text box if you need to. Okay, so that is the built-in the templates. So in text, to enter text, you need to create a text frame. Click Home to object Draw text box. Move pointer as you hold the left mouse button and drag to create text frame. A text drawing formatting toolbar will be appear on once you created a text frame. Click outside the text frame and the handles will disappear. You cannot edit the frame without the handles. So to edit text, click the text inside the text box to display the handles. If you found this symbol, okay, it means that there is too much text to fit in the frame. You can change the font size or adjust to connect the text frame with the flow of text. In the moving resizing text frame, to move, click text frame to show the handles. So move the cursor over part of the frame between two handles to see the four arrows in the move and resize text frame. Hold down the left mouse button to move the mouse in the text frame to another location. To resize, click the text frame to move the cursor over the handle until one of the resize pointers appears. So you have to click and hold the left mouse button, drag mouse, and the size of the frame will change. So that is show particularly. Next, let's move on the F9 or zoom. F9 toggles between the zoom view and full page view. You have to click view plus zoom for zoom tools also. So that is the figure or the view zoom. Next is the images. Click Insert Illustration, Insert, Picture, Clip Art Shapes, Picture, and Placeholder. Choose the image location to insert image. For clip art, right clip art pane will appear once you click Insert and Clip Art. Select the clip art, it will be added to your publication. Moving resizing image procedure that applies to Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint are also used in the Microsoft Publisher. So you have to insert the image. In the formatting your publication, so the page navigation gives you a way to view and to scroll through the pages in your publication. It has features that let you add, move, and delete pages. In the Add, Rearrange, and Delete page, click View Show Group, check the Page Navigation checkbox. In the Page Navigation pane, right-click on the page, then select Insert Page. Specify the number page to insert the location you want to insert the page. By default, the inserted page is in the blank page. Choose the layout and that you want for a new page, click OK. To rearrange the page of publication, click the drag the page you want to move to its new location that release mouse. So the new page order will be applied. So you have to select page of the content displays or delete activity or anyway. So you have to select these two, yes or no, and then you have to click OK. If not, you have to cancel. Let's move on for producing printed publication. So these are some following considered as producing printed publication. The one is a paper size. This paper size should be of the same size as the publication layout. Check your publication layout and printer before printing. Preview or print or test page is possible. In the paper type, the type of paper should match the kind of publication you're printing. A greeting card should have a card paper, while a brochure use the glossy one. A picture should be on the photo paper and label on the sticker. While the color is the white standard paper, it can make the content of the publication easy to read. A color paper makes your publication more attention-getting or visually appealing. Be sure that the contents of your publication will not suffer from the color of your paper. And the delivery. Consider also how your publication will be delivered to the viewers. Example, online, handout, or by any means on how it will be reached other people. So this is the paper size, the paper type, the color, and the delivery. Okay, let's move on for another slides in publishing publications. In publishing publication, your publication can be published electronically and distributed online. You can either publish it as in PDF and attach the file to email or upload into the website, or publish it as in HTML file, which publisher embeds directly into an email. So to publish as PDF, click File, Save, and Send. Select Create PDF XPS document, and then click the Create PDF XPS button on the right pane. Select the location where you wish to save your PDF and type in file name and click Published. So your publication can also be password protected. So this is the publish of the PDF. All you want to do is to click into the publish as PDF, and make sure that you have to add in transmit location that you are wish to save your PDF. To add password to your PDF file, in the Publish as PDF or XPS dialog box, click Options, select the options, encrypt the document with password, or go to the option Security, change security settings for this message, click Security Settings, Security Properties will open, click the encrypt message contents and attachment, and enter password to protect the files to be sent. So in the information about documents, in the command if you also encrypt document, you have to click or type the password and click OK. So to print your publication, adjust print setting while you print preview or your publication. While you print preview, you can do the following: click File, print to the view, and adjust page boundaries. Page number, sheet rollers, and other print properties. Zoom is on selection. Use the roller to verify paper size or set numbers of pages to view. Use Zoom backlight feature to see the paper for two-side printing, to preview the other sides of your publication so that your printed page splits exactly as you want to it. So this is the use of new backlight feature to see the paper two-side printing. You add the choosing of settings as in the print all pages, print one-sided only, print in one-side pages, or etc. So the basic concept of micropublisher serves you guys in formatting your publication. We have the template, text, moving resizing text frame, F9, zoom, images, and the rearrange delete pages. That's all for today. In your module, please answer the following activity. For more updates, please monitor your eClass online learning platform. This is Rinaldo Malimban. Thank you and goodbye.